Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. In one of our previous videos, I showed you how to create a transparent header in the Dawn theme, and a lot of you really loved that tutorial. But after sharing it, I started getting messages from store owners who ran into the same issue. Once the header became transparent, their logo just didn't look right anymore. For example, if the logo is white and the background behind the header is also bright, the logo can almost disappear into the banner. That's why today, I want to show you how to take this a step further and actually upload a different logo specifically for the transparent header. This is something the Dawn theme doesn't support out of the box. But with a small customization, you can make it work perfectly. Remember, always make a copy of your theme first before doing any code change. To make this possible, you'll need to edit your theme code. You just go into the theme editor, open up the header liquid file, and replace it with the code we've provided. You'll find the link to the code in the description area below. After saving, let's go to the theme editor. If your header isn't displaying transparently, find the sticky header option of the header section and select Always. Also, in the header section, you'll see a new option in the theme settings to upload a second logo just for the transparent header. In our case, I'll head to the logo section in theme settings and upload a black font logo for the standard header. Then I'll upload a brown logo for the transparent header. Once you upload the alternative logo, the theme will automatically switch between the two versions depending on the header background. It's a simple tweak, but it makes a huge difference in how your storefront looks and keeps your branding consistent across every page. I hope this helps you take your store design to the next level. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.